To insert a map in your visual, head over to the Maps option on the left menu, then select a region or country from the menu to add it to the visual. You can resize the map by dragging the square handlers on each corner to resize proportionally, or the oval handlers on each side of the map to resize it non-proportionally. On the left, you'll be able to edit the data on the map. You can add or remove columns, change the title, change your data, and more. To change the color on the map, you can click on the color squares to the left and then select the color you want to apply. You can choose to apply one color to the entire map or select the region of the map that you want to color. Next, you can head over to the map settings at the top to further customize your map. You can add borders, change the color of the borders, and add tooltips for when you hover over the regions in the map to show information.